man, check me out, bro. I'm not even gonna talk a lot, bro. I just got something to say real quick. I know I've been gone for a long time, bro. But school is finally over and just expect some bangers, bro. Trust me. But yo, hear me out. The video of the day is gonna be the first man to make the move is the first man that's gonna win. Bro, I'm gonna take y'all back to when I was in class in college. You know what I'm trying to say? And there was a situation where there was a shorty and three niggas was trying to hop on that one shorty. All right. What I noticed is the first man that made a move. So at first we all gathered around and like, yo, bro, shorty bad. You shorty bad. But this shorty got it, right? So we all kind of established that, oh, nah, this shorty is fine. You know what I'm trying to say? So every man for themselves, you get that. And what I come to notice is most niggas did not make the first move at first. They took a little while to make a move. And we only be seeing shorty once in a week. But what ended up happening is one nigga was always making a move, bro. One nigga was always trying to interact with her, have conversation with her. And some other nigga will leave the front seat, come to the back seat, and always trying to talk to shorty. But the other nigga was always next to her. So it was easier for him to get access to shorty, right? But what do I want to say about that, bro? You see, in this life, nothing is fair, bro. Like it or not, nothing is fair in this world. You just got to take it how what it gives you, bro. You just got to take what life gives you. And that's facts. Don't complain about it. Just accept it, bro. And the first man to make a move is the first man that's going to be guaranteed success. Don't get me wrong. When niggas talking to shorties, if she feeling the nigga, then it's a rap. Is a whole rap. But if she wasn't feeling him, he might try to hop on the other nigga, right? But the thing is, shorty was feeling my boy, and it was already clipped. And that's all the analogy or the logic I want to use in today's word, bro. We all got dreams, bro. We all got goals. We all want to achieve something. We all want to become something. And most of us, we always see it here, bro. Always. One day, bro. Always imagine it. One day, bro. When are you going to start? You have to make your first move. It's a chessboard, bro. You are playing against the devil. You are playing against negative forces against you, bro. You always got to make the first move. Procrastination is going to be there. Lust is going to be a huge thing. Addiction. All of them things going to keep you on the lower self of your own self. You have to break through. You have to make the move. It's a battle every day for us men, bro. It's a whole battle that we fighting, bro. And facts. And making move is the only way to guarantee our success. I'm going to put this into perspective again. Shorty right now, right? Let's say the first nigga has shot his shot and he missed. He learned how to move. He learned how to shoot his shot the next time. You get what I'm trying to say? So the more you try to do something, the more you fail, the better you adjust to that thing. And that was my boy. Not gonna lie, at first my son thought it was clip, but he kept shooting his shot. It kept declining. He was shooting just bricks. My son was shooting nothing but bricks. But like, nobody was playing defense though. So my son had the whole time to shoot his shot. But the other nigga that was trying to play defense, it was late because the nigga already got her number. Nigga already can be texting her and talking to her and checking on her. You leave your front seat to the back seat and doing nothing, bro. You only gonna see her once in a week. And it's clip. Nigga can be talking to her, texting her. That's what I'm trying to say. The first move. He made the first move to get the IG, bro. Just like that, bro. First move. And I want you to apply that logic to your life. I learned that shit like, bro, come on, bro. I seen I'm like, yo, bro. Oh shit. Finally hit. Like, yo. You have to make the first move. It don't matter if it's female, business, life, your decision, your life. Bro, first move is important. It's better to make a move than sit there and hope or think or wish. I'm going to say it one more time, bro. It's better to make a move than sit there and hope, wish, and think. You just got to make your first move, bro. First move is everything. If you mess up on your first move, you know how to move the next time. If you mess up on your first move, you know how to move the next time. That's why you always got to go for your first move. Always take initiative for the first move. Always make something move. Don't forget, bro, at the end of the day, We are energy. We are supposed to be moving. That's how magic happens. Magic doesn't happen while you're sitting down. It happens when you're moving around, bro. And that's facts. And that's all my video of the day, bro. That's all I was trying to like share with you, bro. First move is important. I seen the first hander, bro. The first nigga to make the first move was the first nigga to crack. And it was just that simple. But you know niggas be, bro. Niggas crack shit and just trying to hop on the next shit, bro. But like, we ain't gonna judge over here. I mean, niggas do what niggas gotta do. You know what I'm trying to say? But that's the video of the day, bro. Let me know what you think down in the comment. If you see a shorty, should you make a move or should you wait for the shorty to make a move on you?